Hi, Dylan. What letter is this?
A.
What letter is this?
B.
What about that one?
P.
What about that one?
L.
What's that?
D. O.
How about this one?
I.
What about that one?
E.
What about this one?
B. D.
What's that?
Y.
What about this one?
R. M. N. C. X.
W.
W. Y.
Oh, this one.
C.
C. B.
D.
What about, sing, apple, apple.
A.
Baby, baby.
B. B.
Cookie, cookie. Dolly, dolly.
Dolly.
Okay, what letter is this? What number is this?
4.
How about this one?
6.
7, good.
3.
What number is that one?
2.
What about this one?
4.
Whoops.
Down.
Yeah, you fall down. What number is this?
O.
No, this one, the 2 numbers. 10.
Yeah.
What's this number?
8. 9.
8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
What number is this?
5. 6. 2. 4.
Good job. Give me 5. Where's the dog? Where did you see the dog?
I said G.
Yeah? And what does the duck say?
Bye-bye.
Let me see the duck say. Quack, quack.